Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to block a number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that an unknown number. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now all we have to do is to scroll and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So all you have to do is to tap on block, and as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon and the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, which we'll enter right now. So here all you have to do is to enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and it does not really matter at all whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in the general list we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist with the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, this option works perfectly fine. We can also tap on add a number and here manually enter the number we want to block. Let's tap on block and it will be immediately applied to the blacklist also. Here we've got the unknown option, which means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.